to do. Let me show you step by step just what to do. Cross the laces, make an X. Now we're on our way, what's next? Take one lace and make a loop just like a bunny, whoop, whoop. Now take the other, wrap it around, pull it through, look what we found. Bunny ears, make a loop and pull it tight. Wrap around, tuck it in, now your shoes are tied just right. Pull the loops, it's easy to do. Tying shoes, just me and you. When you're done, jump up and cheer, or practice more, it's okay, my dear. Now it's your turn, give it a try. Cross loop, pull, reach for the sky. Bunny ears.